Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we are going to be doing a harvest video. I'm very excited. I got lots of dwarf tomatoes to harvest. We've got some peppers, and I think even a cucumber or two. Let's go. Okay, so we're hunting. Woo, look at that! Nice big cucumbers. You see that? Isn't that a beauty? So this is the Japanese cucumber. And I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. Isn't that a beauty? Very nice. First cucumber of 2024. We have one more on there, but I think we're going to let it get a little bit bigger. It's still kind of skinny. But it looks good. Look. Tomatoes, right? Tomato. Hold on. These are the sun gold. This is my first year growing. Oh, it's split. No. I'll have to see if Dexter wants that one. Oh my gosh, so it's my first ever sun gold. Thank you, that's a terrible angle. Okay, my first ever sun gold. I don't know if it's ripe enough, but we're gonna try it. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good. It's sweet, it's juicy, it's a lot of flavor. And unfortunately I did just have some orange juice, but even with that, it's absolutely delicious. The orange juice was a really bad goal. Oh my gosh, I think sun gold could be my new favorite. Okay, here's Sid. Do you want to try this one?
No.
Okay, she'll get to try the next ripe one. Sydney will get to try. So, as you can see, the tomatoes are doing really good. We got lots of flowers coming and lots of baby cucumbers coming on this one. Oh, I forgot to check how big the eggplant needs to be. Here, I'll leave that for Dexter. Let's go check out the eggplant. Okay. So this is Black Beauty, and I can't remember what size they need to be to harvest them. I think they get a lot bigger, but so we're not going to pick these today. But they're so cute. How about you use both hands?
What happened?
What was that?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Okay. But you know what? I think I am going to harvest these two babies because they haven't gotten any bigger. They've been this size for a little while now. So we're just going to come in and get these two eggplants. And I thought that I only had Black Beauty, but these are definitely not the same as the other one. So I don't know what variety these are. Yeah. Excuse me, Morning Glory. Get out of here. But oh, look at these. My bachelor's buttons have self-seeded. They're so pretty. Nope. Forget-me-nots. I always forget the name. Ironically. So aren't those beautiful? I got more right here. And then for harvesting, oh my god, flamingo's down. Flamingo's down again. What else was I going to harvest? I was going to harvest some herbs, I think, and then all the tomatoes. Oh, my first dahlia. Look. So these are my first ever dahlias from seed. I've never grown dahlias from seed. I got the seeds from Eldred Oak Farms, I believe. She sent them to me off of her plant. So very exciting because with seeds with dahlias, you never know. You never know what you're going to get. Okay, so let's go harvest some herbs. Let me go get my basket. All right, and now look at all these cayenne. They're absolutely beautiful. Try to only get the red ones. That's really awkward. And I will try and remember not to touch my eyes. Yeah. Ooh, what should I do with all these cayenne? Leave a message below. Just a little tip. We'll let him keep going. Drop. I already harvested one the other day.
There's one back there, like in between the pots.
That's yellow?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. There's two of them back there. It's a different plant. There we go. And then looks like we've got some This must be a New Mexico 6. I put, I don't know what tag that is. It must be like a New Mexico 6. I'm going to get another container to harvest herbs. We've got mint. We've got the onion. We've got oregano. This pepper, what does it say? Oh, this one's down here, so this is more of the lemon. Ahi. Over here, I got tons of basil, so we're going to harvest that. I got a lot of tomatoes and basil, so we're probably going to make some bruschetta. Aren't these so cute? This is my habanada. So I'm excited to see what those taste like. It's supposed to be like a habanero that's not spicy. So that could be kind of fun. And then coming down here, these are my Sugar Rush Peach. Now the plants are doing amazing. I got so much green on here, but they're just now starting to flower. So hopefully we'll get some fruit on those soon. Okay, now swooping around here, what the heck? So I don't know what happened to my Olapolka, and it kind of did this last year, so I don't know if it was too much rain or whatever. The leaves just kind of went orange. I tried to pull them off as I could, and they just were not great. So I've left it in here to finish ripening up all of these yellow tomatoes on here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just pull it out, and we'll probably put like start some cucumbers in there. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, thank you. My handy assistant had my basket. Okay, maybe I can just hook it on this bird. Oh, perfect. That's gonna block your view.
I'll just switch sides. Or not.
There we
Just
go.
crush the flowers.
We'll just crush the flowers. All right, so we're gonna come in here. These are the Olapolkas. This poor plant, I don't know. But the Tasmanian dwarf next to it's doing amazing, so I don't know. I can't really blame the soil or anything. I'm not going to eat these ones that fell down here though, because they're kind of just sitting in the dirt. This one's fine, but those others are a little blech. Yeah, I think it's just time to get this one out, and you can see how well the. I mean, look at this. This thing's chock full of tomatoes. Look at nice big one there. So I don't think it's the soil. I don't think it's anything to do with what's happening around it. I think it was just something with that one plant. Because the rest of them all look pretty good. Now I have noticed some of these, like this one, we've had so much rain that's not helping. But keep in mind, these are old plants. So I started them in February. And they're going to start petering out, I think, soon. So what I'm thinking for next year, when the dwarf tomatoes, is I will start them early, like I normally do, so that I have otherwise, because see, like regular tomatoes, I don't get a harvest till the end of July. So I do need them early. But in case they start to peter out, if I start more seeds in May, kind of like when I plant everything out, then I'll have a backup. And when these kind of get tired and sad, I can pull them out. And look at these. A lot of them have split because we've just had ridiculous amounts of rain and flooding. So, all right, we're gonna go to montage mode, folks. Okay, I gotta get. There's some
You
over
gotta
here.
leave that in.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
And look at all of these Chiroroxa peppers. Can you zoom in on these? Aren't they gorgeous? And they're packed. Like, so this is a plant that I overwintered because it was so slow getting started in the spring last year, and it is just doing amazing.
Where's grab it up? You just start eating these people pictures in there. Hello.
Are you sniffing? You need some more basil? The more
I don't
basil
know
you
if you need more
harvest,
basil.
well, the more you harvest, the more it promotes it to grow.
More basil.
That's a lot of basil. Okay, we have to tie that back. Okay, something else I want to harvest. I want to harvest a bunch of the oregano and the parsley. So come around here, because this is like starting to take over this whole container here. So I'll pull the grass out. And I'm just going to come in like this and go. Harvest a bunch of oregano. And parsley, because it's going to start. I don't want it to start to bolt, so I'll leave a few on there.
Ow! Scratched me on the way down.
Oh, show my two loofah.
Where's your loofah? Where's the second one? Oh! There it is.
Yeah, they're doing really good. So, yay, loofah. I'm going to make a big batch of chimichurri sauce. Weed out some of this big. So this is my dattel hot pepper. Let's get over there. So let's get this guy some sun so it can grow. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice clump of. Okay, that's not basil. I mean, that's not parsley. Okay.
Is that a weed?
So I don't know what that is. All right. So.
What are you doing?
I already harvested a bunch of my dill earlier. Dexter wants up. So here's some herbs. Okay, let's go.
What are you?
Let me get the bag. Oh wait, whoa. Hold on.
Oh.
We got someone trying to.
Cucumber?
It's a cucumber. It's trying to escape to the neighbor's side. What is that?
Ugh.
That's bird poop? That's bird poop. Some bird just pooped on my leaves. That's disgusting. Ooh, let's see if the Jimmy Nardellas are ready. You can film
Are you ready for your outro?
No, I'm all sweaty. I gotta wipe my face.
Okay.
And I gotta get my basket. So I think that's a pretty good harvest. Not too bad for middle of July. We got lots of herbs. I got oregano, basil, parsley. We got lots of cherry tomatoes and a cucumber and peppers. So if you have any ideas of what I should do with all of those cayenne peppers, drop a comment down below, because I'm not really sure what to do with them besides just drying them, but it would be nice to do something a little more fun with them. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I hopefully will have a garden tour video coming soon. We've just had so much rain. Everything keeps getting hammered. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.